Hi, I'm Professor Maximilian Weis, and I'm the coordinator of the Specialization Consulting in the Age of AI. In this specialization, we explore how the consulting industry is transforming and how you can leverage AI to solve complex business challenges. In today's rapidly evolving world, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. The specialization equips you with the skills to navigate this transformation, combining strategic insights, analytical expertise, and hands-on consulting experience. You will learn how to make strategic decisions by breaking down complex problems and using data-driven insights to support informed business recommendations. Since communication is at the heart of consulting, you will develop the skills to craft compelling arguments, engage stakeholders effectively, and drive impactful change in organizations. And lastly, as AI continues to reshape industries, you will discover how it can enhance decision-making and drive digital transformation in consulting projects. So what makes this specialization unique? It's a perfect blend of strategy, technology, and real-world application. Graduates from the specialization step into high-impact roles in consulting firms, technology companies, and data-driven industries. Whether you aim to become a management consultant, a technology consultant, or strategy analyst, this program prepares you to tackle complex challenges using AI-powered solutions. If you are excited about shaping the future of consulting in the age of AI, this specialization is for you. Join us at the Berlin campus and gain expertise and hands-on experience in this program.